The Moto E5 Plus features a 6-inch screen, which gives it a premium look. The sleek, glossy casing adds elegance to the phone. The phone is available in two color options, indigo black and fine gold. The phone has a 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory, which can be expanded up to 128 GB using a dedicated microSD slot. The Moto E5 Plus has dual SIM slots that support 4G VoLTE capability. The phone has a large 18:9 6-inch capacitive touchscreen with Max Vision display for an immersive viewing experience. The phone has facial recognition for a speedy unlock process. A fingerprint sensor located at the back enables you to unlock the phone discreetly. The phone features a 12-megapixel rear camera with laser autofocus for an excellent portrait experience. The 5-megapixel front camera with front flash is great for low-light selfies. The Moto E5 Plus runs on Android Oreo operating system and has a 1.4 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor, which makes it a good choice for smooth gaming. This phone is powered by a massive 5000 mAh battery. The 10-watt rapid charging feature helps you get hours of power in a few minutes of charging. The handset comes with a charger, user manual, and a headset. The Moto E5 Plus is made available through various EMI options, net banking, or payment through your debit or credit cards.